Hi, this is Paulo with AEvent support. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create two timeline actions using Mailchimp. We will create actions to add tag and move a subscriber to a list. To start, please log in to your AEvent account. Once logged in, please open your timeline. From this page, click on Create Action. We'll have to set when we want our action to get triggered. For our first timeline action, I'll be setting the time to an hour before the webinar starts. I'll be selecting registrants from the main event as targets for this action. Let's select Mailchimp from this list. Then, let's select Add Tag as our desired action. Let's select the tag we intend to add registrants to. Click on Create. We have successfully added the Add Tag action to our timeline. Now, let's create the action to move a subscriber from a list. Like before, click on Create Action. This time, let's set it to an hour after the webinar. Let's select Main Event again, and Non-Attendees. Again, let's select Mailchimp, then select Subscriber Move List. Let's select the list we want non-attendees to be moved to. If you want non-attendees deleted from the previous list they were from, tick the box for Delete from Previous List. Additionally, you may also collect engagement metrics by ticking this box. Once you're satisfied with everything, click on Create. We have successfully created two timeline actions with Mailchimp. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thanks again.